In this video, I will show you how to give a specific user permission to write to a folder in Ubuntu using the +W notation. Let's begin. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T on your keyboard, or you can search for terminal in your applications menu. Now go to the folder where you want to give permission. For example, let's say the folder is called Folder A. To check the current permissions, type ls space -ld space folder A. Then press Enter. This will show who can read, write, or access the folder. If the user is already part of the folders group, you can give write permission using this command, chmod +G+W space folder A. This means you are adding write permission to the group, but if you want to give write permission to a specific user, use this command, sudo setfacl --m --u username w space folder A. Replace username with the real name of the user. To check if it worked, type getfacl space folder A. It will show the list of users and their permissions. And that's it. Now, you know how to give a specific user permission to write to a folder using +W in Ubuntu. Thank you for watching this tutorial.